How often should I get a massage? This is a super common question, and I have a pretty common answer to that question. And it really depends on what you are dealing with. So what I say to most clients is, if you're dealing with pain that has been there for any length of time and bothers you on a daily basis, you probably need to get massage at least weekly, or at longest between the sessions every other week. And that's going to give us enough time to do a series of sessions every other week or every week that builds on itself and gets you to the point where you're not dealing with that problem on a daily basis anymore. Once the problem has resolved and you're able to say, I don't have any particular issues that seem to bother me all the time, then you're in what we call a maintenance massage cycle, which I would say is, depending on how stressful your life is or how stressful your job is, anywhere from, I have really high-powered, stressful job clients that come in every other week for years, and I have clients that maybe come in once a quarter, twice a year, 2 to 3 times a year, and anything in between. But as long as you're feeling okay and you're just looking for general maintenance, I would say anywhere from a few weeks apart to a few months apart is probably the right time.